Hey, Matt from E-Scooter Nerds here. We will be looking at the 10 best electric scooters for beginners today. We will see when each of them is the perfect choice for you, whether you're looking for speed, range, waterproofing, climbing angle, or you simply have a budget you need to work with. And of course, we save the best overall electric scooter for beginners for last. So if you're completely new to electric scooters and you're wondering which scooter should you get, this will be the perfect video for you. Let's get into it. We begin with the Hiboy Max3, which in my opinion is the best value for money electric scooter for beginners. Why is the Hiboy Max3 the best value for money electric scooter for beginners? It's simple. It is a popular, inexpensive, novice-friendly scooter that has everything a beginner rider would need. This scooter has been the choice of thousands upon thousands of users. The fact that it has hundreds of 5-star reviews speaks volume for its quality, and the fact that it has a very affordable price says a lot about its value. Built to last, the Hiboy Max3 is a superb commuter, equipped with dual brakes, front fork suspension, and solid honeycomb tires that will never go flat. Weighing just 34 pounds and folding down to a very small volume, it is one of the most portable electric scooters ever. The scooter has a top speed of 18.6 miles per hour and 17 miles of range. I recommend this scooter as a great value for money pick for beginners looking for a balance between quality and price. Using the link in the description will take you to the best online store where you can find the scooter, and of course, applying my special discount code EScooterEmptySpaceNerds will further lower that already low price. Next we have one of my all-time favorite electric scooters, especially in the budget category, which is the Ninebot Max. I believe this to be the best beginner scooter for commuters. The final iteration of the celebrated Ninebot line offers the perfect balance between great range, proven quality, affordable price, and good portability, making this scooter the commuter's dream. Its range of 40 miles on a single charge is literally double the range of the typical scooter in the price range. Double. Its top speed is 18.6 miles per hour, powered by a 700 watt motor. This is one of the best electric scooters of our time. Mechanical and electronic anti-lock braking systems, front and rear shock absorbers, 10-inch tubeless pneumatic tires almost impossible to go flat on IPX5 ingress protection standard, cruise control. The Ninebot Max has it all. In short, if you're a newbie in the scooter world and you're looking for the perfect commuter scooter to take you to and from work or school or anywhere in your town, the Ninebot Max will be your best option. Check the link in the description to get the scooter from the best place online, offering the best price and the best shipping and delivery terms. The next best electric scooter for beginners is the Apollo City 2022, which also has the best proven performance in this category. The Apollo brand has only been around for a few years, but has managed to become one of the best brands in the scooter world. The Apollo City 2022 is one of their most popular models, offering a great mix of value, quality, and performance. For the price of $1,300, you will get a phenomenally capable scooter. Peak power of 500 watts, a top speed of around 27 miles per hour, a range of 30 miles, and a climb angle of 10 degrees all make the Apollo City 2022 a great power scooter for beginners. Aside from pure power, the Apollo City 2022 also provides great waterproofing with an IP66 ingress protection standard, also puncture-proof tires, triple brake system including rear drum, front disc and electronic brakes, front spring and rear dual spring suspension, and bright headlights for rides anytime and any weather and in all environments. Now, to be completely fair, the Apollo City 2022 is a bit pricier than your typical beginner scooters, but that's because it's much more performant. Still, it's a very simple, safe, easy to use scooter that is beloved by thousands of beginners. So if you're thinking of skipping the slow budget models and getting a stronger scooter right off the bat as your first scooter, the Apollo City 2022 is a great pick. The link in the description and my special coupon code in there will take you to the only place that sells the original scooter, as well as get you some free bonus stuff from Apollo. Next we have the Unagi Model One, which is the lightest, most portable electric scooter for beginners. Unagi is an OG brand that has been around for quite a while in the scooter game. The Model One is pretty much their only model, which is always a good sign, since it shows they truly specialize in a single model and iterate it to perfection. The Unagi Model One is one of the lightest electric scooters for adults ever, weighing only 26 pounds thanks to its carbon fiber build. It also occupies very little space when folded, and it's a very practical scooter in general. The scooter has a top speed of 20 miles per hour thanks to its dual-hub brushless neodymium motors and a range of 15.5 miles powered by a high-quality battery. It also comes with dual electronic and rear foot brakes, an electronic anti-lock braking system, and 7.5-inch solid honeycomb tires that will never ever go flat. I recommend the Unagi Model One for beginners looking for a lightweight, portable scooter that's also very high in quality and also performs very well. It is typically priced around $1,000, usually a bit less than that. Check the link in the description to buy it from the best place that sells the original scooter. Before we go on, hit the thumbs up button in this video if you like it so far and subscribe to the channel for more awesome scooter stuff in the future. The Hover One Alpha is the next beginner scooter on this list, and it's also the best budget beginner scooter. It is usually priced just $380. A year ago, nobody had heard of the Hover One Alpha. Today, it's arguably one of the best-selling budget scooters. Here's the cool thing about the Hover One Alpha. While it's the cheapest scooter on this list, it is still among the top models in terms of quality and performance. A 216 watt-hour battery, a range of 12 miles, and a top speed of 18 miles per hour might easily cost you twice as much. The verified climb angle of 15 degrees and the weight limit of 265 pounds are features that even scooters 3 times pricier can lack. The scooter comes with a rear disc brake, foldable handlebars, and 10-inch pneumatic tires that pretty much don't necessitate additional suspension. There is no better budget option for beginners than the Hover One Alpha. Check the link in the description for the best place to buy it from. Let's switch gears a little bit and now see the best high-end electric scooter for beginners, which is the Inokim Quick 4. Inokim are known for crafting excellent high-quality scooters. Their models are not the biggest, baddest, meanest, fastest scooters on the planet, but their levels of quality and durability are rarely matched. I was hesitant about whether to include the Inokim Quick 4 in this list, not because it might not be good enough, quite the opposite in fact. It might be too good. Somewhere between the inexpensive novice scooters and the higher-end power scooters lives the Inokim Quick 4. It is still a great choice for beginners, although it does border with the intermediate models a little bit. But that's one definition of a high-end scooter. The Inokim Quick 4 comes from an established brand of high-quality blue ribbon scooters with all the perks and benefits. Although the price of $1,400 might throw some of you off, wait to see what you can get for it. As a beginner, you will enjoy the best of both worlds: great safety features and comfortable rides, simple maintenance and solid performance, and still not priced as a ridiculously expensive model. The scooter comes with a stylish modern design, a peak 900 watt gearless motor, a comprehensive lighting system, and an intuitive one-hand riding method. Besides its features, the scooter is equipped for comfortable rides with great damper suspension. With a range of up to 34 miles and a top speed of 25 miles per hour, this scooter will satisfy anyone's heart, let alone beginners. So if you're a scooter novice but you're still looking for a top-notch scooter that's also very easy on beginners, then the Inokim Quick 4 might be your choice. Check the link in the description for the best store that sells it online. Next we have the Hiboy Titan, which is the best electric scooter for heavy adults. To be fair, the Hiboy Titan is not exactly the perfect beginner scooter, as it's a bit more powerful than what I typically recommend to first-time owners. Still, it's not so powerful to be unmanageable, and it also has an excellent weight limit of almost 300 pounds, so after a slight learning curve, you will be the owner of a great scooter for heavier people. The scooter can reach speeds of 25 miles per hour and comes with a range of 28 miles and a climb angle of 14 degrees. The 10-inch pneumatic tires and the dual front and rear shock absorbers will provide a very cushy ride, while the dual disc brakes will make sure you stay safe. Most beginner scooters have a weight limit of around 200 pounds. If you're a beginner and you need a bigger weight limit, closer to 300 pounds maybe, the Hiboy Titan might be your perfect choice. Check the link in the description to get the Hiboy Titan from the best store online, and also don't forget to apply my special coupon code eScooterEmptySpaceNerds for an additional discount. The Kugoo G-Booster is the next best electric scooter for beginners, and it's also the best option for climbing. If you live in a hilly city, you will not want to get a scooter built for flat terrain. With a climbing angle of 35 degrees, the Kugoo G-Booster is the best electric scooter that is great at climbing hills and still doesn't cost an arm and a leg. Of course, the price tag of $1,070 puts it a bit above the beginner level, but for a climbing angle of 35 degrees, you usually have to pay at least twice that. Plus, you will be getting a top speed of 34 miles per hour, an incredible range of 53 miles, and a 2400 watts peak power motor. True, that's more performant than most beginner scooters. But trust me, you will need that power for those steep hills. Anything less powerful and your scooter might struggle or simply stop when going over a tough hill. So if you're a beginner and you live somewhere with lots of ups and downs, lots of hills and valleys, the Kugoo G-Booster might just be your best option. Check the link in the description to buy it at the cheapest price from the best online store. The next excellent electric scooter for beginners is the Levy Plus. This is the best option with a removable battery, and also, in my opinion, it has the best design. For most people, it's never about the value, the specs, the performances, or the utility. It's simply the fact that electric scooters are cool and fun. The Levy Plus model is the Marlon Brando of beginner electric scooters. Smooth, cool, tough, handsome, oozing with style and confidence. And it's not all looks. 18 miles per hour top speed, 22 miles of range, double braking system with rear disc brake and eABS front brake, 10-inch customizable tires, great portability, an IP54 standard, all for just $700. A true bargain. Not to mention, this is the only beginner electric scooter with a removable battery. That increases the ways that you can use the scooter. You can take the battery with you to discourage theft, or to charge it more easily, or to replace it with a full one during a longer ride. A brilliant move by Levy, no doubt. Get the Levy Plus if you're after your first scooter that looks amazing, or you want the features and benefits of a removable battery. The link in the description takes you to the only place that sells the original scooter. And finally, the beginner champion, the best electric scooter for new riders. Ladies and gentlemen, I give to you the Apollo Air. This is the second Apollo scooter on this list, and that's always a great sign, as it shows a commitment on the brand's part in creating great scooters in a certain category. It has been said before, and it will be said again. The Apollo Air is a legendary electric scooter. All things considered, there is no better choice for a beginner. Many people went for this model as their first electric scooter and have never looked back. It has some of the lowest defect rates, the longest lifespan, and some of the best reviews out of all of the massively popular electric scooters today. The Apollo Air is one of the best-selling mid-priced electric scooters of all time. Most of its buyers are first-time owners. Even though it is on the pricier side of budget scooters, costing around $1,000, it is still a great option for beginners regardless. Awesome build quality and ride stability are included in the price, as well as a full feature package consisting of front drum and regenerative brakes, front dual fork suspension, an IP54 waterproofing rating, large 10-inch tires, next generation battery protected from overcurrent, overcharging and short circuits, and a dual front suspension for bigger comfort. The performance is also excellent, with 21 miles per hour top speed and a range of 31 miles. In my opinion and experience, there's no better scooter suited for beginners than the Apollo Air. If you're simply looking for your perfect first scooter, the Apollo Air might just be it. See the link in the description for the best and only store that sells the scooter online, and also use the coupon code in there for some cool bonuses from Apollo. So those were the best beginner electric scooters in the world right now. If you like the video and subscribe to the channel for more scooter stuff. If you would like to continue the journey of learning about electric scooters and you would like to look at something more advanced, I suggest the next video, which is the fastest electric scooters on the planet right now. I will see you there.